over here at Tortugas Mountain. National Weather Service just issued a flash flood warning. And we're over here to see if it really happens. The only thing I've seen is a few little raindrops coming down. As I look around the horizon, I see some rain that's coming down in different directions. And maybe we'll get some action here. That's what this movie's about. And I hope it turns out to be an enjoyable movie. So let's see what happens. Desert Storm, okay.
Desert Storm.
I can sure hear the thunder.
Yeah. I saw flashes of lightning over there. On the horizon. Over there. On that horizon.
Yeah.
Where the rain is.
I'm starting to hear a few little sprinkles hitting the roof.
Look.
The wind's blowing in from the north. We're on the south side of this canopy, so we don't get hit by the rain and the little bit of drops. I don't want to get my lens wet or my camera wet. Some interesting architecture in this building. It's got wood underneath, but it's got sheet metal on top. And the way they took that great big beam and laminated it, curved it. It's pretty cool. Here's a view of a little bit about what the cloud cover looks like right now. Looks pretty awesome. Like it could have some water in it. Well, we finally figured out what these flowers are called. Desert marigolds. I'll look it up when I get home and see if I'm right. Here's some cactus with seed pods on the top. The birds, they love it. blowing from the north and now it's blowing from the south. The days for the past 2 weeks, it's been like 104, 103, 102. Just keeps going. It's been that way for the past 2 weeks. Here's the bridge we crossed when we came over. You can see from here, it's made out of wood. It's a big floor on that bridge. Just saw some lightning flash across the sky just behind that ridge. You can see the mesquite. It's got its seed pods now. She's got the right idea. With me, I got to
I'm waiting for the storm. Waiting for the storm.
Yeah. Just chilling out during the little rainstorm here. Seeing flash floods. She's watching YouTube on her cell phone.